In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add an Emirates NBD card to an Apple Wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing and adding any Emirates NBD card that you have to an Apple Wallet is an extremely simple process. You can either do it through the latest version of the Emirates mobile app that you can find on the App Store, or you can also do it directly through the wallet instead. First, I'm gonna show you how to do this process through their mobile app. Open it up, and immediately upon reaching the home screen, you should be able to find the option to add cards to Apple Pay or the Apple Wallet as I've highlighted here. This is by far the quickest way to do it, and as long as you tap this option, you will be redirected to your wallet with all the credentials about the card automatically filled out. You can also try signing into your account first, going over to your Cards tab, and the button to add the card to an Apple Wallet should be available somewhere along the screen. Both of these options makes the process of adding the cards to an Apple Wallet extremely convenient because you don't have to manually input all of the credentials about the card. Now, like I said in the beginning, you also have the alternative option of manually typing the details about the card inside of your wallet. To do this process, start it by opening the Apple Wallet app instead and tapping the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping the plus sign, you can choose which type of card you would like to add, and specifically for this video, you want to select to add a debit or credit card, and like I said, you will be able to manually type the details about the card. As long as you include valid and legitimate information about the Emirates NBD card, it is going to appear under your wallet just like the other method. The other method is faster because you don't have to manually type the details, but regardless of which option you pick, the card is going to get imported into the Apple Wallet and can be used with Apple Pay or as a source of any payments that you make. I hope I was able to help you on how to add an Emirates NBD card to the Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.